Hello my dear student, you are watching the educational channel Munmun Bhakta tutorial and I, your mathematics teacher Munmun sir has presented before you with part 3 of the chapter cubic polynomial for class 10, and this class is going to be very useful for the student of class 10 because I am just going to teach you some board model questions in this class. So be ready with your notebook and pen. Dear students, if you are a new student on this channel, you must watch my previous videos related with your class, and if you find that this channel is useful for you, then you must like it and share it in your friends, and you must subscribe this channel. So without wasting the time, I just come to the point. In the previous class we have solved many problems related with this chapter, and now we will solve another problem. And here is the question. You can watch on the screen. The question is, find all the zeros of 2x square minus 4x minus x square plus 2 if two of its zeros are root under 2 and minus root under 2. This is board model question. And how can we solve this? First of all, we will write the given polynomial px is equal to 2x cube minus x square minus 4x plus 2, and then we will write the given zeros. Root 2 and minus root 2 are zeros of px, and again this will be written x minus root 2 as a factor, because you know, if the given zero is positive, then it will be written negative with x, and if your given zero is negative, then it will be written as positive with x. So I have written here x minus root 2, and this is negative, so this will be written x plus root 2 are the factor of px. And now we will find out the product of both factors, and we get x minus root under 2 into x plus root under 2 is equal to x square minus 2. This is a factor of px, and on dividing px by x square minus 2, here we divide the given polynomial by this factor x square minus 2 for getting another factor. So you can watch the division process. Here this is a chance for learning the division also. I have divided the px by x square minus 2, and as you know that first of all we have to find out here 2x cube. So x square is divided by 2x, we can get 2x cube. So our first quotient is 2x, and when we multiply 2x by divisor, we can get 2x into x, 2x cube, and 2x minus 2, this will be minus 4x, and before subtracting we change the sign of this number, so this positive will be negative and this negative will be positive, and both will be cancelled. And now we get minus x square, and this is plus 2, and now we have get minus x square. So x square will be multiplied by minus 1 for getting minus x square. So I have written minus 1 here, and when we multiply minus 1 with divisor, we get minus x square and plus 2. Here also the sign will be changed, and plus minus will be cancelled, and this way we get the remainder as 0. Now we will write px is equal to this. Px means cubic polynomial has been written in the form of factorization, that is a divisor into quotient. So I have written here px is equal to x square minus 2, this is x square minus 2, and the quotient 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 because we have to find out the 0. So I have written here 0. And when we factorize this x square minus 2 will be x square minus root under x square, and this is 2x minus 1. By applying a square minus b square formula, we get x plus root 2 and x minus root 2, and this is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Again we get x plus root 2 is equal to 0, and x minus root 2 is equal to also 0, and 2x minus 1 is equal to also 0. And by solving we get here x is equal to minus root 2 and x is equal to, since this is minus 2, this will be plus 2, and here x is equal to 1 by 2. And now we watch that all the zeros of this px is minus root 2 and plus root 2 and 1 by 2. This is your answer. Clear, student? Now you can watch another example, and this is just read the question. Find all the zeros of the polynomial 2x power 4 minus 11x cube plus 7x square plus 13x minus 7 if two of its zeros are 3 plus root under 2 and 3 minus root under 2. Then just watch how can we solve this. And for the solution, first of all, we will write here the given polynomial px is equal to this, and in another line we let alpha is equal to 3 plus root 2. Since this is the first zero and this is the second zero of this polynomial, so we will write here first zero alpha is equal to 3 plus root 2 and the second zero beta is equal to 3 minus root 2. Clear, student? And another line we will find the sum and product of both zeros, and this will be alpha plus beta is equal to 3 plus root 2 plus 3 minus root 2. This plus root 2 minus root 2 will be cancelled, and 3 plus 3 will be 6. Clear, student? Now the product 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2, this is a plus b into a minus b, and this will be 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Clear, student? And now we will get the quadratic polynomial using the sum and product of zeros, and therefore the quadratic polynomial gx will be x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. This is the formula for finding quadratic polynomial, and here this will be x square minus sum is 6, so this is minus 6x, and product is 7, so this is plus 7. And now we can write here gx is a factor of px, and now we will divide px by gx to find another factor. So you can watch the division process here. I will not explain the division process here because I have just explained in the previous example, and we can get 2x square plus 1 minus 1, the another factor, and so it will be written px is equal to x square minus 6x plus 7, this is the divisor, and into quotient 2x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0, and but the other two zeros, because the first factor is related with this zeros and we have to get another zero, so we will take the second factor only here, and this will be 2x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0, and this will be to factorize by factorization, this will be 2x square minus plus 2x minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, and by factorization this will be 2x into x plus 1 minus 1 x plus 1 is equal to 0, and this will be x plus 1 into 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, and this will be x plus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, and by solving we get x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to plus 2. So all the zeros of px are 3 plus root under 2, 3 minus root under 2, minus 1 and 1 by 2. This is the solution of this question. I hope your doubts will have been cleared, and we will meet in the next class. Thank you for watching the video.